Hey guys, what's up? It's Mehdi Shakil here and you are watching ASCII Tech Tutorials. Today in this video I am going to show you how to convert any JPG image or photos to ASCII art on Kali Linux 2060.1. So let's start. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel and stay connected to my channel. Open up a terminal. Now you have to install ASCII to image to ASCII converter. Like this, type this command. apt-get install jp2a, then hit enter. Okay, then put your image on desktop. Here is mine. Now let's convert this picture to ASCII art. Change your directory to desktop. Now type this command jp2a then your image name, then hit enter. See, here it is. Now let's make a border around the ASCII art. Type this command jp2a border then your image name, then hit enter. See, now let's make this ASCII art as color. Type this command jp2a border colors, then your image name, then hit enter. Here you can make any photos, convert to your ASCII art with this jp2a. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and stay connected with my channel. Thanks for your watching. Thank you.